there you have it. Now you have a Miffy wallpaper that you drew all by yourself.
You thought you were going to be one of those cute iPad girlies that take their iPads to cute cafes and draw cute things, but then you realize that you don't actually know how to draw. If that's you and your iPad is collecting dust right now, I want you to look no further because this channel said for you, so don't forget to click the subscribe button. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a Miffy wallpaper like this. You'll be able to tell all your friends that you drew this, and that makes you better than them. Complete beginner with no drawing history can follow these tutorials. Let's get drawing.
You obviously want to create a canvas size that is going to be right for your wallpaper. I already have a template for canvas size that says iPad wallpaper right here, and I'm going to show you how to make one. So I want you to click on this plus sign, and I want you to make the width 2732, and I want you to make the height 2048. So take a screenshot here. DPI is good at 300, and you're going to name this iPad wallpaper so that next time you want to make your iPad wallpaper like another one, you don't have to actually make the canvas again. Create this canvas and let's get started on drawing Miffy. Okay, this is what your canvas should look like, and we are going to start drawing on a white background, but we're actually going to be changing the background to yellow later. But let's start drawing Miffy. Okay, so I want you to get a pencil, like a sketching brush. I'm using my own ones. These brushes have proven to be the perfect brushes for drawing my squishy illustrations, but if you don't have my squishy brushes, you can go ahead and go into sketching, and Procreate has amazing sketching brushes. My favorite one is actually the 6B pencil. Just find a pencil and then find the color that you like to sketch with. I never like to sketch with black because I just think that makes my life so boring, so I usually sketch with a pink. Just draw a circle and hold your pencil. See, you will get this menu pop up here, and when you tap on it, it makes these little points appear so you can actually edit your circle very easily. Somewhere like this, just a little bit tilted because she has that little head tilt. Whoa. And once you're done editing your ellipse, just go tap on your brushes again and that'll make all the dots disappear. Now, her face is going to be going along these center lines, so just draw them like this, one line down the middle and tilted, and one line just roughly somewhere here. That is going to be the guidelines for our face. Now, on both sides of this line, I want you to draw one dot here and one dot here. Those are going to be the centers of our ears. After that, draw the ears somewhere like this. Don't make them too long, but you know, she is a bunny rabbit, so make sure they are, when you draw a tilted line like this, that the ears are somewhere on the same level. I actually think I made them too long, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the magic wand, I'm gonna press liquify, and I'm actually going to do the push option, make it a bit bigger, and just push my ears a little bit down to the length that I like them, somewhere like that. So that's a really cool tool to use. Now it's time to draw the dress, and this part can be complicated if you're drawing it without me, of course. From where this line meets the bottom of the face, I want you to draw a straight line going down, kind of this long. Draw dotted lines that we will erase later for yourself, just from the sides of the head down to the bottom of this line. After that, draw a horizontal line here. Draw that very lightly because we're actually going to turn this horizontal line into a curved line. Okay, so make a curved line from your horizontal line. That is the hem of Miffy's dress. The dress is going to go upwards just on these lines here. From the bottom of her face, you're just going to draw one diagonal line like this, just going slightly past this, and one straight line like this, because this hand is going to be holding the balloon. Draw the sleeves, so just finish up the sleeves, connect them like this, and this one just connect with one line going diagonally downwards. Now for the hands, they're super easy. Just draw a little curve here, and a little curve here. Now all we have left to do from the body is to draw the feet. So keep this line going here slightly, then draw one curved like pebble shape one side and one going to the other side. And those are going to be, I'm just going to make this one a bit bigger, but those are going to be Miffy's legs. Let's draw the balloon before we draw the face. To draw the balloon, draw the string of it first, going right through the hand. Once you're happy with the string, just erase anything you don't want to be seen, like on the hand. This is going to help your line not look broken. Now we're going to do the same thing that we did for the head, where we're going to draw a wonky circle, hold the pencil, and let this menu pop up. And then we're just going to edit our balloon to a point where we're happy with it. It's going to be taller than Miffy. Make sure it's taller than her ears. I'm happy with it like this. Now all that's left to do is to add this little string that's coming out of here. And let's draw the face. Draw the crossed nose and mouth on the crossing of our line here. And then slightly above, just draw one eye and the other one. Maybe just draw them a bit closer together. That is our Miffy sketch. To do the Miffy line art, turn the sketch layer, go into your layers, click on the N, and turn the sketch layer opacity all the way down so you can still see it but that it's not in the way. Add a new layer and take your lining brush. If you don't have my squishy brushes, I 100% recommend going into calligraphy and picking the monoline brush. That is gonna be the closest thing to my squishy brush. Now you take a black because we're lining with black, and choose a thickness that you're happy with. Go ahead and line the outline of your sketch, obviously without lining all the guidelines that we did. I'm gonna speed this up, so pause the video, line your sketch, and let's keep drawing. Okay, when your drawing looks something like this, go back into your layers and you can hide the sketch layer because we're not going to need that anymore. And look how cute she is looking. What I want to do is I want to move her into the center of my screen so that she's the center of my wallpaper. Click on the this cursor here, and then in snapping over here, I want you to turn on snapping. And what that is going to let you do is it's actually going to show you when you are in the center of your screen. So it's not really aligning the, oh, there we go, that. Okay, and to come out of selection mode, just click on your brushes again. Before I color anything else, I want to actually get our yellow background. So just click on your background and let's pick a bright yellow that's closer into the warm tones. Ooh, like that. That looks perfect. Now is super important that you follow this step. You're gonna create a layer under your line art layer, and you're going to set the line art layer to reference. Then you're going to go back to the layer you just created that's under the line art layer. And what you're going to be able to do is actually just fill your colors like you're filling inside the lines, except you're on a separate layer. So let's just fill in the white. Now for the dress, she has a nice deep blue. So let's get a nice royal blue for the dress and an orange for the balloon, like this. If you want to make her bigger or smaller against the background, you can actually get these two layers. So to select them, swipe right on them, press group, and that is going to put them in the group. Now you can move your Miffy around, make her smaller, make her bigger, and just see how you like her on your iPad wallpaper. Let's go set this as our wallpaper and see how she looks. So then you're going to exit, you're going to select it, press share, and press PNG because that is going to help leave as much good quality as you can. You're just going to press on save image and that's going to set it to your camera roll. I'm going to go ahead and set her as my wallpaper. Just go into my iPad settings, go into wallpaper, add new wallpaper, photos, and choose our little Miffy illustration. And now I'm just going to move her around until I'm happy with her like this. So I'm just going to press add. I want my home screen and the lock screen the same, so I'm just going to set wallpaper pair. And there you have it. Now you have a Miffy wallpaper that you drew all by yourself. Isn't that amazing?